Let's try and get it off it. And you find it all around the northern hemisphere in that's the fruiting body, see that? Yes. Have a little nibble of these. And
no, go on, you go first.
Tell me. This is delicious. Oh, sorry, I meant to blindfold you, bring you down, you didn't. Now this is part of Glen Beach or Swallow 2 days. This is part of the Saunders Buffet really. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to the rice. And if we find something to eat, we'll be cooking all up in one of the kitchens there.
Wow!
So we dig this out now. Stick your hand on it.
Just leave it up here. That white.
Well, the bit that's his foot, yeah.
His foot.
Yeah, there could be one of those. So there's a seed here to go. Pull this up now. They're known as heart urchins. Turn them over, you'll see the little spines moving.
Oh God, yeah.
What happens is they move through the sand, physically eating the sand.
Oh,
eat the sand.
Yeah.
Is this don't eat it, right? It's not
No.
Okay.
No, not even seagulls like these.
It's horrible.
Yeah, but ecologically what they do, they're that far down. And what they do, they bring oxygenated water down into that area. So
Good for the ecosystem.
it's good for the same way earthworms help out in aeration. Soil, see?
Wow.
Yeah.
See that? Even in most areas. The first time.
Yeah. Right, we'll get over the end now and get some sauce.
Mussels.
Oh, bugger it.
How good's the zoom on that?
Not brilliant.
The turnstone there, and oyster catchers at the end there.
Wow,
See
yeah.
him,
See, on the top there, oyster catchers.
An oyster catcher, is
Yeah.
it?
Maybe with your cell phone.
He's right on the page.
Oh, sorry.
My hands.
Yeah, a lot of these are smaller ones.
Do you want to come over?
Coming in, right?
So it's best to climb up there.
Okay.
Oh, unless you want to stay right
Where is? It's here?
No. Go in there, see?
Oh,
See that?
wow.
Yeah. There's 3 in there, green ones. But see the sponge next to them as well? The orange
Yeah, I
sponge.
can just see it under there.
Yeah. So what it's going to do now, right? They have a jellyfish. They're all carnivorous. So I'm going to crush this up. See it there now?
Yeah, I come back and just see it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to crush the mussel up, and I'm going to put it in, and hopefully we'll see the tentacles taking it in. See?
Okay.
Because they feed on mussels and little crabs and all sorts. They do. Okay. Some people got hamsters as pets out of these. So I drop this bit of mussel inside now. Ready?
Okay.
You see it then, hopefully eating it. Here we go. Oh,
Yeah.
straight in, see?
Like, thank you.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
There's another one there. No, these come in all different. Oh, yeah, there's some here. That's it. You're getting the garlic flavour.
Yeah.
And the peppery flavour, buttery
Yeah.
flavour, mushroom.
Yes.
Yeah, garlic mushrooms.
It's called sea truffle.
Wow.
That's it, isn't it?
Very delicious. Okay.
That's
Can you go bigger than that?
yeah.
Nibble that.
It's the same? Ooh.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh dear.
Don't worry.
It's very common. We get lots on the way back as well.
Yeah.
Come on, my love. Don't worry. I will not use it because all the time it's out. Delicious. Do you want more?
The sea gooseberry.
Sea gooseberry.
Yeah.
Tiniest.
They get as big as that. They're called comb jellyfish because what they've got tiny hairs on the side. If you look at them in an ultraviolet light or in bright sunlight, they're like. No. No. So you don't go through that, see? So this is what I prepared earlier. You can look through my window if you like. So, a nice photograph there, isn't it?
That's incredible, isn't it?
Right my eye.
Yeah, don't grab it too tightly because it'll
You've got to
break.
dig around. I
You
found
dig it around the
yeah.
side and wiggle it out slowly. See?
Because I don't know where is the side.
And my mouth, bro. So
I
to see
can't
what.
believe that.
I told you, you get a free manicure and a free facial, isn't it?
And I was right in there. Have you got him?
Yeah, but the problem is, oh, look. That's what the problem.
Oh, no, that's just part of this of his siphon sheath.
That's it. Keep going.
I feel it.
Dig it around it.
Dig around it, yeah, or otherwise you
Yeah.
you help. Please get up it there.
That's all the sand is coming in. Isn't it?
Yes.
Oh no, have you got it?
You got it?
I got it, but the sun don't help me. Yeah, I
Okay.
here. I got it.
Go on. Yeah, run.
Hey! Oh,
Oh, this is incredible.
Yeah.
it's strong.
Yes. Now I feel.
Yeah, proper forage, you know. Pound it on.
Oh, I will clean that.
Well done.
So we're going to have to eat now.
Yeah,
But what we can do, we can have a bit of fun, seeing where they are, just be scraping away and see,
Just get them
see how
the-
far they can scrape it.
Oh, right in my eyes. Have you got it in your eyes? You know, it just come in, doesn't it?
Oh.
Yeah, so press that and hold it down like that and do each one in turn. Anyone? Yeah. Yeah, do the next one then.
Wow. That's fantastic.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, little patch yourself. Like that. It'll take about 5 minutes or so.
That's like the one we saw, isn't it? Yeah. No, we got it.
Okay, enjoy that, boy.
Oh my gosh. No.
No, wow.
It's amazing.
And there's a nice photo for your Instagram if you like. How you cook there. You should get a nice rosy glow in the fire.
Wow.
Did you well, I filmed an advert for British Airways.
Yes.
Visit Britain.
I watched the video.
Did you see some of them on it?
Yeah. Yeah.
But 10 in total there was in the States. It's been shown now. And I've already had Americans booked in for posters on the back of it.
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
Oh my God. I was telling him about Teg working for British Airways.
Yeah. Thank you. What is going to be hot to take? I'll be bringing some of the juice around it in a bit as well. The thing with cockles, they tend to fall out into the bottom.
Thank you.
What is going to be? Do you want a fork or you use your fingers? Yeah.
You want to try anything? Here.
Yeah, go on there.
Ethan, you like mussels?
Yeah. Oh, it's a big couple.
There you go. What's it going to be
Lovely.
hot underneath, right?
Thank you.
What I'm going to do now is, can you see how much juice is right through there? Okay?